there's some sad news kicking around, a lot of people upset. Toyota has dropped the V8 Landcruiser. Let's say goodbye together for the days of the V8 Landcruiser and say hello to the days of the V8 Chevy. Everything on this one is big. Big engine, big wheels, big tub, big towing capacity. In a world where bigger is better, the mighty 6.6 litre V8 Duramax in the Chev 2500 reigns supreme. Let's go and walk around this one. This thing is big and I'll show you why. Let's start with the engine. Did I mention this thing's a V8? 445 horsepower straight out of the box. Stick that in your 4-cylinder Landcruiser and smoke it. And I believe this customer's taken this one to G&L Performance to get even more out of that engine. As you can see, it's got a massive 5-inch lift. This is the BDS 2.5 remote res lift. It's got the 2.5 Fox remote reservoir shocks that are adjustable both low speed and high speed. The 5-inch lift, in my opinion, is the perfect combination if you're wanting to run 37-inch tyres. We'll get to the tyres in a minute. We'll stay at the front end. It's got the impressive Chev 2500 2024 model off-road creative front bar. We've gone with the textured black bar in this one. We've got the 3 spotlight tabs on the centre hoop as well. Little front camera relocation tab, so you still got the massive 360 cameras inside the Chevy. That's what these things are known for as well. How many Landcruiser cameras are there? Just saying. This vehicle is heading up north to the Northern Territory. To handle the rough conditions up there, you're going to need good suspension. You're also going to need a good wheel and tyre package. We've opted for the Moto Metal wheels. These are a 20x10 POS 18 fitment, which means it's a non-flared fitment, and wrapped in a Nitto 37 12.5 20 ridge grappler. It's still got a massive 126 Q load rating, which is pretty impressive for the size of this vehicle, the size of the tyre. The ridge grappler, in my opinion, is one of the best on the market, and they're starting to get more and more stock into the country. I'm keen to see more and more of these through the workshop as well. So with the 5-inch lift, we've opted for the AMP Research Smart Series steps on this one, which makes getting in and out of the cab nice and easy. It has got the factory GM step on the back of this one, be careful. And in the rear, we've got the triple Bellow Boss airbags. These triple Bellow Boss airbags are one of the most popular bags on the market for all of our HD applications. These bags, they haven't let us down yet. I know what you're thinking, Dean, why do I need airbags? If you're towing decent loads, you've got a big boat, a big caravan, firming up the rear end of the Chevy is one of the best things that you can do on top of a good suspension kit, as well as wheel and tyre. So we talk about superior ride performance at big dog builds, and that's a combination of suspension, wheels and tyres, airbags in the rear, and a good hitch on the back as well. If you get all of those things done right, this thing's going to tow better than any Landcruiser, whether it be a 79, a 200, a 300, that's barely a Landcruiser in my opinion. To handle the load onto the back here as well, you don't want to rely on airbags fully. If you are going to opt for a canopy on the back, that's when we also mix in a leaf spring upgrade. What do we do in a leaf spring upgrade? We remove the factory leaf pack. We work with some of the best in the industry to reset those leaf springs, add an extra leaf blade as well when required, and that's going to handle the load that's in the back, whether it's constant load or you've got massive trailer and putting a lot of gear in the back as well. We know how to get the sweet spot here, and it's all about that combination of leaf spring reset, shock absorber settings in the rear end, as well as the airbags as well. If you want adjustability in these airbags as well, the Air IQ setup's one of the hottest ones on the market. You've simply got a remote control, you've got a phone app, and you can increase and decrease these airbags from the comfort of the front seat. We don't even have to drill any holes in your dash. This one here, electric tailgate. I haven't seen a 79 with one of them before. We've got the electric tonneau cover from Off-Road Industries. This is one of the brands that we can offer here at Big Dog. What's a good benefit out of this one is it does come with a little T-rack slot on the side, so we can roll some channel nuts. You could run a little crossbar setup on this tonneau as well. You've got both operations from the key fob as well as a wireless remote control as well. So it's definitely a plus. We've also installed the GME XRS 370 combo UHF unit. It's got the 680mm antenna mounted to the tonneau cover as well. So nice and neat setup in the back here. That must be where the V8 comes out. One other feature soon to be released here at Big Dog Builds, 2024 Chev 5-inch snorkel combo. We're still doing a bit of R&D with G&L Performance on this one, guys, but this one's got a massive 5-inch intake. It's got the airbox under the bonnet as well. And stay tuned, your Chev 2500 2024 model is soon to be able to get one of these packages as well. If you like this one, guys, check out this video here for another Chevy 2500 rundown. If you like to see these things on the beach, this series here, episode 1,